my gosh, there it is. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to open it. Something very special is in this big old box, and if you want to see what it is, keep watching. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name's Andrea, and I love clothes and shoes and purses. And this is a very special purse. I was contacted by the Teddy Blake company and asked if I wanted to share one of their purses with my viewers. And I was like, oh, yes, please. Teddy Blake makes gorgeous purses. I've seen them on some other YouTubers unboxings, and I looked at their site to pick this out, and they just, they're gorgeous. And I am a purse snob. It is one of those things that I will invest money in designer purses. I have a bunch of Coach, some Michael Kors. I've got a couple Prada, and if you don't know it, there is a Prada outlet in Las Vegas. So if you ever get a chance to go there, check it out. But these purses are, I'm just so excited to have this. All right, so you open it up, and that's what it looks like inside. Give me a minute and I'll take this out. All right, I knew I wasn't gonna be able to do that gracefully, so I did it off camera. So this is the box, and it's got Teddy Blake, New York. It's got a magnetic latch there, I guess you'd call it. I'm so excited. We'll get to see it together. All right. It is actually well packed inside, so give me a minute. It's got like bubble wrap. Give me a minute, I'll take all that off. So it comes in a dust bag. It is well packaged, bagged with bubble wrap, and then in here, so, and yeah. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right. It's beautiful. It's got this really cute little apple-shaped tag on it. It is black. I chose this one. I will tell you in just a second what it is. But right now, oh, it's got a, like, it's almost like a security so that somebody can't reach into your bag, because it does not have a zipper. It has this beautiful suede, red suede lining. It comes with a shoulder strap. Okay, so that's the inside. There are two sections to this purse, and then there is a zippered compartment in the middle, which is probably where I'll put my phone. It has the rings there for the shoulder strap, but I don't usually use shoulder straps, so I will probably use that as a key fob. And then if you want, you can unsnap the sides. It is very, very well made. It is very nice leather. It is, you know, just that grainy textured leather. Oh, it is so beautiful. I am so excited. That's snapped up. All right. All right, so I will pull the camera back so that you can see how it will look on my arm, but it is beautiful. I love this little feature where you can snap the handles together, because that's like a security feature, so somebody can't just, you know, dip their hand into your purse. Love it. Beautiful. All right, let me get you some details. So this is the Vanessa Palmolato 14-inch in black and red, and it does come in a variety of colors. Most of their purses do. They have a variety of sizes. So this is usually how I carry my purses. I have always aspired to be a small purse kind of girl, but the reality is that I need a big purse to carry all the stuff I carry around. So this is going to be the perfect size. This is how I would carry it. You could also actually bring it up on your shoulder. Sometimes I'll do that. And then this is what it would look like with the strap. So that's with the strap. You could do it, you could do like a crossbody like that as well. It's so nice. It just feels so well made. The gold tone hardware is very nice. It's got the Teddy Blake New York logo there. And currently they have a bunch of things on sale on their site, so I will leave a link below so that you can check them out and get your own gorgeous Teddy Blake handbag. They have so many different styles and colors to choose from, and it's just, if you like a well-made handbag, then you will definitely want to check out the Teddy Blake. Hi, this is me a couple days in the future, because as I was editing the video, I realized there were some things that I wanted to tell you that I didn't include in my original video. One was they have the little metal feet on the bottom. So that's a really nice feature. So when you put it down, the bottom of your purse isn't going to be on the ground. So I also wanted to let you know that these bags are handmade in Italy. Teddy Blake is offered exclusively online, and they give you a really generous 14-day period to return if you decide you're not happy with it, and returns are free. Let's see, I think that's it. I'm also going to leave the link I'm going to give you will give you an additional $30 off anything that you order. So make sure you use that link. It's not an affiliate link, but it will save you some money, and I always want to do that. All right, keep watching for the last bit of the video. And just quick outfit of the day. This is the rumpled silk Vince Camuto top that I got from my Nordstrom anniversary sale haul. And these are A New Day by Target that I featured in a previous video. And I did get them in a size 4, and I waited long enough, they actually went on sale. So I am going to go switch out my purse so I can start using this gorgeous purse right away. If you like this video, hope you'll give me that like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that we can hang out together, and you can get to, come along for the ride on my fun fashion adventures. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, don't forget to dress like you mean it.